Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog pill shooter that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Paws Quick and Easy Pet Pill Dispenser. Paws has launched their latest product, a pill gun that has changed how drugs are given to cats and dogs. The Paws Quick and Easy Pill Dispenser is a fantastic unit built with durable materials for extended and repetitive use. The company aims to address issues pertaining to animal health, so this pill dispenser allows for easy and safe administration of oral medication to pets and is recommended by all veterinarians. We are confident that the Paws Pet Pill Dispenser will ensure the proper dosage of medication to pets while maximizing control exerted during such an application. Still, it's important to be careful. When using the dispenser, be sure to load your pills and tablets securely and keep your dog's mouth firmly open. Also, ensure that the unit safely shoots into the back of your dog's throat, not mouth, so that it can travel directly to its stomach. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Jorgensen Dog Pill Shooter. No matter the size of your pet, we are confident that the Jorgensen pill gun would be the right pill shooter for you. A single look at this product is all it takes for pet parents to trust in its efficiency. The Jorgensen pill gun is a user-friendly, gentle, and easy-to-clean pill shooter, with a functional design even for smaller pets. It works with both tabs and pills, with a soft tuber tip for the secure positioning of the medication in the gun's plastic shaft. This tuber is what makes the unit more uniform as well, and is what prevents the medication from slipping during the application process. Importantly, the Jorgensen dog pill gun has been manufactured and distributed in the USA by skilled scientists, so safety is guaranteed. Moreover, the unit is very easy to use and it comes at an affordable price. At number 3, we have the Mikki Dog Pill Shooter. Mikki is known as a pet-loving company. Their skilled personnel has a great love for animals and their passion can be seen in their various products, with each part designed intricately for durable usage. The Mikki gun is the ideal image of a dog pill shooter that has been built for safety and durability, thus, it comes with plastic and rubber parts. Even more beneficial is the fact that to keep your fingers away from your canine's teeth, the plunger can be adjusted to different lengths. This also makes the pill gun suitable for dogs of all breeds and sizes. At number 2, we have the GreatBBA Handy Dog Pill Dispenser. GreatBBA pill gun is another handy pill dispenser meant for use on dogs, cats, and many other small animals. It acts as both a pill dispenser and food feeder, especially for smaller-sized pets. Slender in design, this pill pusher and pet feeder in one is not only easy to use, but it accommodates capsules of all sizes and shapes. It comes with a plunger to help prevent the loss of your fingers, while you drop the pill or tablet down the throat of your canine companion. Importantly, this is also a safe product, both for you and your pet, as well as the environment. As a bonus, it's also extremely durable. But how do you use it? It's easy. According to the manufacturer, the first step is to remove the plunger and insert your pill into the barrel. Then, push the plunger into the barrel tip, and place both your middle and index fingers under the pill gun. And finally, at number 1, we have the Crust Buster Dog Pill Shooter. Let's introduce the Crust Buster tablet syringe for all your animal medication needs. This is a classic pill shooter that allows you to administer pills and all forms of medication without causing damage to the mouth of your dog. This tablet shooter offers a lesser risk of injury for both you and your pet, with ergonomic finger rings that enhance your comfort during application. The Crust Pill Shooter also allows you to draw water to aid in swallowing, plus comes with a green plunger, as well as a transparent barrel, a piston with rubber plunger and a reinforced tablet holder. What's more, the barrel is designed to be the perfect length for the quick administering of medication to both cats and dogs. Even better is the fact that the Crust Pill Shooter and tablet syringe are very user-friendly. To give your pet its medication, all you need to do is fill the syringe with water. However, do ensure that the pill is well secured before opening your dog's mouth. After this, pull the shooter back and release its trigger. This will shoot the tablet from your syringe into the back of your dog's mouth, with the water allowing for an effortless swallow. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.